How to fix Bosch Dishwasher E17 error code. To fix the E17 error code on a Bosch dishwasher, follow these steps. Adjust the water pressure. The E17 error is often caused by high water pressure entering the dishwasher. Check the water pressure at the sink and try manually reducing it. Some users have found success by ensuring the water flow restrictor is properly installed. Check installation components. Ensure all parts, such as hoses and connectors, are properly installed. Missing or improperly fitted parts can contribute to water pressure issues, causing the E17 error. Consult a professional. If adjusting the water pressure and checking the installation doesn't work, a more complex issue might be the cause. A technician might need to inspect the dishwasher and potentially replace components like the heat pump if needed. Consider related errors. If the E15 error occurs alongside the E17 error, addressing the high water pressure may resolve both issues at the same time. Perform regular maintenance. Clean the filters and check for clogs in the drainage system regularly. Blockages can worsen water-related problems and contribute to recurring errors. If none of these solutions work, it's advisable to call a qualified technician for a more thorough diagnosis and repair. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.